Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The election program for 5 municipal council is as under. Receipt of nomination. Except on 2nd April 2021 being public holiday and 4th April being Sunday, the date is 31st March 2021, that is Wednesday, to 8th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay. The scrutiny of nomination will be 9th April 2021. The timings are 10 a.m. onwards. Withdrawal of candidates is on 10th April 2021. The timing is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. List of candidates 10th April after 3 p.m. The date of poll for 5 municipal council is 23rd April 2021, which is Friday. Timings are 8 to 5 p.m. Date of counting of votes is 26th April 2021. It is Monday, 8 a.m. onwards. I once again mention that poll timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and for COVID positive patients, it will be entitled to cast their votes in the last hour of the poll, that is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. The model code of conduct will come into effect from this moment only in the areas under the jurisdiction of respective municipal councils. Commission has issued SOP guidelines for COVID-19 precautions in order to conduct the said elections, the above elections. The by-election to the Ward number 2 Village Panchayat Savan and Ward number 4 of Village Panchayat Vilim will be held along with the general election of municipal councils.